Hello, in today's video, I'm going to share 10 food products that currently have modified food starch as an ingredient. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful in any way, please like, comment, and definitely share so that others can see this video as well. So thank you again, and until next time, take care.